Hi, I'm Cara Small, the Project Manager for Open Out 2022, Articulture's latest project. I'm here to tell you all about it. This spring, Articulture and partners across Wales and the UK are launching Open Out 2022, a series of commissions and development opportunities for artists who want to create and tour new outdoor arts in Wales, the UK and Ireland. Do you have an idea for an outdoor arts project or performance? Then listen on, and at the end of this video, contact us to say hello. Opportunity number 1, Create and Tour Wales. This year, we have 3 new commissions for underrepresented artists who want to develop and tour new outdoor arts in Wales. It's an opportunity specifically for artists who identify as deaf or disabled, are from Black and or other global majority backgrounds, and those wanting to develop and present work exclusively in the Welsh language. These commissions will be supported by leading venues and festivals from across Wales, working together as WOAC, the Wales Outdoor Arts Consortium, and managed by Articulture. The 3 outdoor works selected by the consortium will tour to the WOAC partners' locations in 2022, and artists will receive additional performance fees accordingly. Artists can apply for up to £5,000 per commission, and Articulture will support the selected artists at each stage of creating and touring the work. This can include producing, mentorship, production, and marketing support. There will also be a professional development opportunity for the selected artists to visit Out There Festival in Great Yarmouth in September 2022 to see new international outdoor arts and make connections. Opportunity number 2, Create and Tour UK and Ireland. Our second Open Out opportunity is also commission-based, offering 2 more commissions for artists based in Wales. These commissions are in partnership with a new 4 Nations partnership led by Surge in Scotland, bringing together 4 outdoor arts networks with festivals in Scotland, Ireland, Wales and England. Each country is commissioning 2 new works, and all 8 works will tour to each of the 4 festivals in 2022. In Wales, one of the commissions will be specifically for artists from underrepresented groups, and the other will be open to all artists based in Wales. Please contact us to find out more. Number 3, Connecting and developing outdoor arts ideas. If the first 2 opportunities weren't for you, but you want to explore outdoor arts in Wales, we'll have a range of other opportunities for artists this year. These will include networking events to share your ideas with key industry programmers and producers, as well as ongoing surgeries with outdoor arts producers providing focused support to develop your idea. Most importantly, no matter what your background or experience, we want to hear from you. We're interested in hearing from those who work outdoors already, as well as those who would like to for the very first time. Please get in touch for a chat. So, if you have an idea, want to apply for a commission, or would just like some more information, contact us to say hello. You can do this by email, phone call, text, WhatsApp, or on our social media channels. All contact methods will be shown at the end of this video. Please note, if you're interested in applying for opportunity number 1, the Create and Tour Wales Commission, you will need to contact us by Friday the 11th of March at the latest. But the sooner you contact us, the better. Applications for this commission will need to be submitted by Friday the 25th of March. 07966 071 073. Rosie, that's ROSIE, at articulture-wales.co.uk, facebook.com/Articulture Wales, twitter.com/Articulture_, instagram.com/Articulture_Wales.